Hi guys, my name's Kaz from Gem Lettuce Jewellery, and I just thought I'd show you some of my rings today so you can see what they look like, and I'm just going to take you through the sizing so you can sort of see what size you think you might be, just to show you them visually so that you get an idea of how they look. And if you're in between sizes, it might just help you figure that out. So I'll start off with this one. This is a size 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you them on a measuring stick so you really know what size they are. So this is my smallest size. If you're an H or an I, this is probably okay for you because they're, you know, it's a chunky ring. It's not like a thin wedding band. So I do usually say size up if you're in between sizes. All of these rings are on my website. I've just picked them at random to show you some sizing today. This is a 6. Excuse my funny old measuring stick. I've had it forever. This is sort of a size 52. If you need any help, just send me an email, kaz@gemlettuce.com. I'm always happy to help with figuring out your ring size. This is a 7. That's kind of corresponding to an O. If you are over a 6, then yeah, go for it. Go for the 7. I'll just lay them like that so you can see the difference in the sizes. Here is an 8. A 9. That's a new colour I've just done. It sort of fits my biggest finger. Put that there, and this is my biggest size, which is a 10. There you go. So maybe that might just help you see them up close and see what size you might be. So that one's a bit big for any of my fingers. It's a popular size, but it's just a bit big for my hands. Yeah, so you might get an idea there. So that's a 8, 9 and a 10. That's the difference in them. And 5, 6, 7. There you go. And then I've got this other shape here that I can show you. So that's a 5. Maybe I don't need to show you them all on measuring sticks. They measure the same. I don't know. That's a J. So that's my 5. 6, 7. I'll just show you very quickly. 6. I will be adding the Euro sizes to my website. I've just done these 6 sizes because I create all my own moulds. It's so hard for me to have any more sizes than this. Any questions though, like I say, I'm always on Instagram, Gem Lettuce Jewellery. You can find me on there, DM me on there. You can email me, kaz@gemlettuce.com, or just comment below, and there's your 10. You can see the difference between a 5 and a 10. They're both really popular sizes. Everyone thinks that they've got massive hands or big knuckles. We've all just got different hands, and we all think that our hands are... I get so many messages from people saying, oh, my hands are huge, my hands are tiny. We've all just got different hands, and generally I've got a size that fits anyone. Obviously this is a longer size, so yeah. If you have got short fingers, maybe the chunky shape is better for you. And I've got thin bands as well. I'm just showing you these big ones today. I just thought that might be helpful to show you the different sizes. And you can kind of see the difference between them. Any questions, please do get in contact. If you have no idea what your size is in Euro or US, take a look at my measuring guide. If you just grab yourself a piece of paper and a ruler, you can measure your ring size at home. No worries. Okay, I really hope that's been helpful for you. Let's just do a quick view from above so you can see what kind of size they look like. And I'll pop some pictures at the end of some other people's hands wearing these rings, which might give you a bit more of an idea of how they look on as well.